Hey, let's admire the wood engraving machines, CNC routers and lathes that turn raw wood into beautiful works. We hope you enjoy your time watching our channel. Home decorations use walnut wood combined with maple wood, expressing timeless elegance and complexity. The precision of CNC technology increases the blend of these two types of wood, creating beautiful patterns. This carpentry technique brings out the beauty of the contrast between wood tones while creating depth and character in the interior. They are very careful in choosing high-quality wood to ensure durability and beauty when crafting chairs. The wood is cut precisely according to the design parameters of the chair, ensuring accuracy. They use 5, 5 and 6 axis CNC wood cutting machines to achieve high precision. Each piece after cutting is thoroughly sanded to achieve smoothness. Assembly is then done carefully, ensuring all parts fit together seamlessly. Finally, the chair is coated with paint to preserve its beauty and durability before undergoing rigorous quality testing. Wood carving with a router provides precise and intricate detail, allowing for the creation of intricate designs and patterns. This technique requires skill and practice to control the speed and depth of the router to achieve the desired results. The router is equipped with different bits that can create many different textures. In particular, safety precautions, such as wearing protective gear and fastening wood, are important when using a router. The wood embossing machine creates intricate wood patterns on a variety of surfaces, simulating real wood grain with astonishing realism. This sophisticated device uses advanced technology to print wood-like textures onto a variety of materials, faithfully capturing the essence of natural wood grain on a variety of surfaces. A wood screwdriver that creates precise screw lines for woodworking projects, improving the precision of a carpenter's work. This device simplifies the creation of wood fibers, ideal for custom furniture and handmade products. This fully automated CNC lathe efficiently processes works with precision, enhancing productivity and ensuring consistent quality. With its automated capabilities, this CNC lathe handles tasks effectively, boosting efficiency and maintaining stable quality standards. Jam technology is applied to create intricate patterns and details on the wooden surface. This method requires skill and patience to create smooth curves and precise angles. The versatility and ease of use of this device allow operation over a wide variety of terrain and depths. Here you can see how a rough piece are more than just cutting and machining machines, they are also a work of art, a way to create sophisticated products with precise lines and characters. Using settings previously entered into the computer, this tool is capable of crafting unique, beautiful final products, providing great customer satisfaction. The CNC router is truly a powerful tool in the woodworking and manufacturing industry. Its automation and precision allow the creation of many valuable woodworks with intricate and beautiful details. From works of art to high-end furniture products, CNC routers have promoted creativity and brought much value to the wood industry. Then, under CNC technology, shaping machines will continue to process the cut wooden parts into the required final sizes. Ensuring that every detail created is of the highest precision and quality. Let's take a look at some popular CNC machines. CNC milling machines are used to machine flat surfaces or 3D parts by removing material from a large block through a milling process. It operates on the principle of a traditional milling machine, but with computer control, it can perform more complex machining operations with greater precision. Servo motors and spindles are controlled by computer programs, allowing CNC milling machines to create products with the desired precision and complexity. Commonly used in turning and slotting knives to meticulously carve material out of a large block, thereby shaping it into desired form with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Equipped with a precision rotary cutting tool, the CNC router removes materials and shapes them according to pre-programmed designs. Works by loading design files into the control computer, which converts them into movement commands for the router. The rotary cutting tool quickly carves through materials, creating complex details and shapes as required. Versatile and highly precise, CNC router crafts products such as signs, doors, engraved panels and intricate interior details with smooth contours. And some other types of methods, such as using a stream of molten plasma or laser light or pressurized water stream to cut through the material, helping to create the desired products. The advanced Hahn HFP 160 firewood processing machine can process large logs with high throughput, making it an essential tool for firewood production businesses. A powerful and versatile machine, the Halverson 150 is capable of handling various woodworking tasks with ease, helping people save a large amount of time during the day. The WD-1400 wood peeler is an outstanding machine with its efficient bark removal process improving wood quality and facilitating wood processing operations. The Cambio 800 wood peeler equipped with the CIM 750 knife system is a force in the wood industry, ensuring efficient and precise bark removal, improving wood quality for subsequent processing. Among the top 10 advanced machines, the Harnage FP160 firewood processing machine is capable of processing logs up to 12 inches in diameter, turning giant logs into valuable resources. https://www.youtube.com/watch VLBakeysark. Next up is the 2023 hand crank turbine saw model, which is an attractive combination of tradition and innovation, offering a unique experience in woodworking. Close-up of the process of processing old wood at Edmiston Sawmill. The first cuts of wood mark the beginning of the journey from raw material into an artistic masterpiece. The perfect combination of advanced machinery and skilled operators ensures precise cuts and high-quality wood products. Meet the demand for sawn timber in various manufacturing sectors. With efficient working capacity, the processing work of the Hellscrag factory has helped produce sawn timber. The Camtrim wood burning reduction system is a game changer in the forestry industry, effectively reducing edge flaring, optimizing the quality of peeled logs for subsequent processing. The compact TBL3 shaping saw's innovative design and shaping tools ensure consistent wood size and quality, critical to meeting industry standards. The Baker 2018 BP Dominator 3650E machine looks primitive but is a force in the sawmill industry. Each cut carries precision at a fast speed. Whether in woodworking, metalworking, or other industries, the Model 70E plays an important role in improving efficiency and ensuring smooth production lines. Woodworking with mini excavators in Minnesota is an exciting endeavor, with these small but powerful machines capable of producing about 10 to 15 sticks of firewood per day. If you are someone who has witnessed these exciting working moments, please subscribe to our channel to see more great woodworking machines. Advanced technology and high productivity make the LTEC H226 LogMax 7000 indispensable for efficient wood exploitation and processing operations. The Pilkermaster Evo 36 is a game changer in the world of firewood processing, capable of producing approximately 3 to 4 cubic meters of firewood per hour, turning raw wood into valuable fuel. With its high power and performance, the GSW17 FZW3P Turbo stands out as a powerhouse in woodworking, driving productivity and innovation in the industry. Let's continue to discuss other advanced tools combined with 2 parallel saw blades and fast rotation speed, helping the log to be shaped quickly. Close-up of the log processing process at the pallet sawmill. With their compact size, these advanced engines can be easily transported and processed into valuable products. The Halverson HWP100 steering wheel attachment processor is an innovative solution for wood processing, capable of processing approximately 10 to 15 cords of wood per hour. This is America's most modern wood peeling reliability. Wood peelers contribute significantly to the